Now let's take a look at how students access Musicplay Online. First off, when you have a Musicplay Online account, your student codes are automatically generated. If you're not entirely sure what your codes are or you want to take a look, head up to the right-hand corner under Dashboard, scroll all the way down and you'll see Student Codes. Click on that button and now you'll see your two student codes, your Open Mode and your Focus Mode. Now that you have your two links, what can students access? They can access videos, projectable slides, games, and interactive activities. What they can't access is any PDF, teaching resource, or your full My Lists. Those are private for you. Alrighty, now let's go back to your dashboard page. You have two links, your Open Mode and your Focus Mode. What's the difference? Open Mode means that your students can access the entirety of Musicplay Online. That means that they can navigate from the songs, to the games, to the practice section, and throw in some instruments just to have some fun. Now, what does the Focus Mode mean? The Focus Mode means that when you send a link to a student, they are 100% focused on what you have sent to them. They're not going to be able to go to see the games and play Coconut Chaos. No, they have to stay on your My List, for example, or the song that you've shared, or any piece on Musicplay Online. The Focus Mode brings them there and strips any navigation, so they can't wander off. Now that you have your two codes, how do students actually access Musicplay Online? Option 1 is giving them the Open Mode code and asking them to log in using our home page, and up in the right corner, you'll see Student. Click on that, there's a little place for your code, and then hit Access Some Fun. That'll bring students right to the home page, and they'll be able to navigate from there. Option 2 is to share a URL. If you share a URL across the site, the open code is the one that's embedded. So by sharing that URL, you're letting the students have complete access to Musicplay Online. Sharing using Focus Mode requires a few more steps. Step 1, go into the resource that you actually want to share. Step 2, click on the Share button. Now you'll see you have two links, your Open Mode, which you've already had, and your Focus Mode. This is the link you want. Click Copy Link, and now share that link. Students will still have to click that URL, and then they'll still get put on to the student access page, and they'll still have to click Access Some Fun. But now, once they're into Musicplay Online, all they see is what you have shared.